you ever felt any kind of negativity? Or perhaps you just felt annoyed or irritated or angry on the inside. If you've ever felt any of these emotions, we're going to do a very simple technique called tantrum tapping, because I believe it's better to get it out than to keep it on the inside. And there's 3 steps to tantrum tapping. The first is get your fingers, so you can do like this for me. Find your collarbone. So for me, my collarbone is here. So just under the collarbone there, and gently tap like this. That's the first step of tantrum tapping, because the purpose of tantrum tapping is to have a tantrum and just to get all that energy, all that negativity out and off your system. It's fabulous for children. Children, they get a little bit testy and moody. Just play a game with them and say, Simon says, tap here. And so then they play a game. Simon says tap here. And step 2 is you're going to make an R sound. So you tap here and you go, ah, and you make an R sound because you just want to get all that energy and all that negativity off your chest. So that's the second step. The third step is to stamp your feet. So I'm going to stamp my feet like that on the ground. So stamp my feet. So step 1, tap on just below the collarbone. Step 2, ah. Step 3 is you move the feet. So now I'm going to do all of it together. So just go ahead and do it with me. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Repeat as often as needed. And the purpose of this is to release, let go of anger, release and let go of negativity, so that you can just go about feeling your wonderful, incredible self. Go ahead and let me know whether you enjoyed this video. Did you use the technique on yourself? And who might you want to share this technique with? You can share this and let other people know about this. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.